Ready to ditch those boring single photo posts and turn your memories into a dynamic TikTok masterpiece? First, fire up the TikTok app on your phone. You'll find it on your home screen, usually with that iconic musical note logo. Once you're in, tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen to start creating a new video. Now, instead of hitting the record button, look for the upload button on the right-hand side of your screen. Tap it. This will open your phone's gallery. Now comes the fun part. Select all the photos you want to include in your TikTok. You can tap them one by one to choose them. If you plan to use more than a few pictures, make sure to select the Select Multiple option to efficiently add pictures into your video. Pay attention to the order you select them. TikTok will use this order in your video, so make sure they're in the sequence you want. Once you've chosen all your photos, tap Next. This will bring you to the editing screen where your photos are now a video. Here, you can adjust the duration of each photo by tapping Adjust Clip at the bottom of the screen. Get creative, add filters, transitions, and text to your photos to make them pop. Experiment with different effects until you find what you like. Don't forget the music. Choose a trending sound or a song that fits the vibe of your photos. Tap Add Sound at the top and pick your perfect tune. Finally, write a catchy caption. Add some relevant hashtags like hashtag #TikTok tutorial and hashtag video editing and hit post. Congratulations! You've just created a stunning TikTok video with multiple photos. Now go out there and impress your followers.